I lost a client last month, not because of bad work, because their urgent email sat unread in my inbox for 3 days. So I built a system. Now I open Telegram once a day and see only the 3 or 4 emails that actually matter. Everything else? The AI killed it. Here's the exact n8n workflow. 5 nodes, 2 AI filters, 0 code. Let's build it. Let's start super simple, even if you've never opened n8n before. First node is the schedule trigger. Picture this as your personal assistant's alarm clock. You set it once, and every single morning at 8 a.m., it wakes up automatically and starts the whole process for you. No manual clicks, nothing. You could trigger it from Telegram later if you want, but we're keeping it easy today. Right after that, we add the Gmail node. This is where we safely connect to your inbox. We tell it, only grab unread emails from the primary tab that arrived in the last 7 days. One tiny filter line does all the magic. When I hit execute, it pulled exactly 18 fresh emails. That's it. The assistant now has the mail in hand and is ready to start sorting. Next, we add the first AI brain, the security guard. We drop in an open AI node and pick GPT-4o Mini because it's fast and costs almost nothing, literally half a cent for every 100 emails. The instruction we give it is dead simple. Act like an email security scanner. Scan for anything dangerous: account hacks, failed payments, service outages, legal deadlines. If you see any of those red flags, answer with critical risk true. If not, just false. That's the whole prompt. Then we add an IF node right after it. This node is like a bouncer. If the AI says critical risk true, it immediately sends the email straight to Telegram as an urgent alert. No waiting, no extra steps. Dangerous stuff gets to you instantly. If the email is safe, it moves to the second AI filter. This one acts like your personal executive assistant who decides what actually deserves your attention. Same OpenAI node, just with different instructions. Check if this email comes from a real person with a real request. Partner updates, contract changes, client asks, deadline reminders, market important. Everything else, newsletters, promo spam, automatic notifications, just ignore it. Then another IF node decides the final fate. If it's important, it continues to Telegram. If not, the workflow simply ends right there and nothing happens. That's the secret sauce. The AI quietly kills 80 to 90% of the noise so you never even see it. Last node is Telegram. This is where your assistant finally delivers the good stuff in a beautiful, clean format. We set it to HTML so the message looks nice on your phone. Bold subject line, one short AI summary you can read in 5 seconds, and a direct link back to the original Gmail email. Super easy to reply or open when you want. And that's literally the entire workflow, just 5 nodes. No code, no complicated setup. Done. 18 emails went in. 2 flagged as risks, a payment alert and a security notification. 1 flagged as important, a contract update from a partner. 3 out of 18. And here's Telegram. 3 messages, each one with a summary I can read in 5 seconds. 15 emails my brain never has to process. Multiply that by 5 days a week, 50 weeks a year. That's 3,750 decisions you never have to make. And the AI costs about 2 cents a day to run. The full workflow template is in the description. n8n in 1 click. If this saved you from inbox hell, hit subscribe. I'm building one automation like this every week.